Welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. Today I'm going to be making some gluten-free pizza in the air fryer. According to the box, this is there are 4 servings per container, and I'm the only one who's going to be eating this. Plus, I wouldn't be able to fit this entire pizza in my air fryer anyway. So let me show you how to break your pizza into smaller pieces for the air fryer. Gonna leave the frozen pizza in the plastic and at what is about the halfway point, approximately. I'm just gonna do that across the counter. And then, let's see, it broke, which way did I break it? I broke it this way. So now I'm gonna do it again this way. And that way I can just use one piece at a time. Let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, here's the piece right here, I think. Believe me, usually my karate chop trick works, but I had this pizza sitting out on the counter for a bit while I was setting everything up to record, and so apparently it needs to be very frozen in order for that to work. So instead, I'm gonna go ahead and cut myself a piece here. But when it's all the way frozen, it can be very difficult, extremely difficult to cut through this gluten-free crust. But given the part that this is partially frozen already, that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna use a piece of perforated parchment paper. And also I wanna get just a bit of foil so I can tint it on my pizza so that it doesn't brown too quickly. I think I'll just try to tuck it under a little bit on one side and then tuck it under a little bit on the other side. If your pizza is completely frozen, then you're gonna wanna check this at the 4-minute mark. Hold on, first of all, let me get my temperature right. Let's see, we wanna go with 370 is fine. And then, because mine's partially thawed already, I'm gonna check it at 3 minutes. But if it's completely frozen, you can, depending on how hot your air fryer gets, let that go and come back and check it in a few minutes. All right, it's been 3 minutes. So let's see if it has crisped up at all. I actually think this could go a minute more before I pull the foil off. So I'm gonna add 1 more minute and then make sure you stick around until the end because I'm gonna show you how to take this Udi's pizza from just tasting okay to being pretty delicious. All right, it's been 4 minutes so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the foil. Let me show you what it looks like. With the foil removed, this is what we're looking at. It's been 4 minutes. And now we're gonna finish this up without the foil. Let's try 2 more minutes. So we want the cheese to brown. All right, let's see what we have after 6 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Let me put it on a plate so you can see it better. This already looks good, but let me show you what I do to enhance the flavor a bit. I have some oregano, and I'm going to very lightly sprinkle that. Also, I have some onion powder. I'm gonna sprinkle that even lighter than I did the oregano. Parsley. Also, I have some garlic powder. And if I had any basil, which I currently don't, I would add that too. And to me, this takes this pizza from tasting all right to actually being very good.